everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you how to add badges on the rear trunk of your car. I hope you'll enjoy this short video. Before starting a project is to have a clean car. The first step is to apply a small amount of the ultimate polish on a clean microfiber cloth. Gently apply it on the section of the trunk where you'll be applying the badges. Use the drier side of the cloth to wipe the excess product and make sure the area is completely dry. Before I apply the badges, I measure the badge first and use the masking tape around it for proper alignment. Using a diluted water alcohol mixture, spray some on your microfiber cloth and wipe the area where the badge will be placed to remove any residue, dirt, or oil. Apply the badge and firmly press on it to secure it in place. Gently remove the transparent plastic liner and then the foam after. Do the same procedure of applying a polish and alcohol mixture on the left side of the trunk. I placed my second badge and I pressed on it firmly for a secure hold. Gently peel off the tape and then the foam afterwards. The last step is to peel off the rest of the masking tape. Here's the final product. It's so easy to do, and I hope you like the new badges.